Hello my dear students, today we gonna complete our previous lesson, the set of rational numbers. In the first exercise he asked me write the following in decimal form and he gave me fractions and mixed and percent. By using calculator we can change all of them into decimal form. Okay, just open your calculator and write your fractions 3/4 and press on the bottom which change into decimal form. It will be 0.75. The same with 2/3. It will be 0.6666 more times. I told you before in previous exercise, when we have more 6, it means this is repeated or recurring decimal, so we can write by easy way by this form 0.16, and don't forget to put this point above 6, that it means 6 is repeated. The same with -3/11. It will be equal 0.27 more times. So to be easy to write it, it will be equal 0.27, and don't forget to put 2 dots above both of them. 2 and 3rd, write it on your calculator and press on your bottom which change into decimal form. It will be 2.333 more times. It means 2.3 dot. 45%, we can write by using calculator 45% or 45/100. Both of them are right, and change it into decimal form. It will be 0.45. In the second exercise, he asked me arrange in ascending order, and he gave me fraction and mixed and decimal and whole number. How to arrange them in ascending order? We can't arrange them in this form. As the first time, we must change into decimal form, all of them, by using also calculator. Okay, the first step, change 2/5, it will be 0.4. 2 and 3/8, it will be 2.375. Absolute -2/3, yes, it will be 0.6 dot. What about the negative here? We studied it before. When we have absolute value, it will be cancelled negative. 0.6 already, it will be decimal, keep as it. -5, we can put 0.0 to change into decimal form by this way. Now we can arrange them. He asked me to arrange in ascending order. Which is the smallest one here? 0, 2, 0, 0, -5. I think -5, and then 0.4 or 0.6 dot or 0.6. Yes, 0.4 and 0.6. and 0.6 dot, and the last one it will be 2.375. This is the greatest one, like that. The first one it will be -5, the second one it will be 0.4, the third one it will be 0.6, the fourth one it will be 0.6 dot, and 2.375 as the last. Okay, final exercise is very important. He asked me find 3 rational numbers between 2/5 and 3/4. Okay, before solving this exercise, I must tell you about thing, you must know it. Between any 2 rational numbers, we can find an infinite of rational numbers between them. But how in this case? He gave me 2/5 and 3/4. At the first time, we must change both denominator to have the same denominators. How? By multiplying this denominator 4 here up and down, and multiplying this 5 denominator up here up and down, it will be changed into two fractions are equal in denominators, like 2 multiply 4 and 5 multiply 4, it will be 8 over 20. The same, multiply here 5 up and down, it will be 15 over 20. Now we can find the three rational number between 8 over 20 and 15 over 20. It's so easy, like 9 over 20, 10 over 20, 11 over 20. Okay. Another exercise, he gave me have and third. By the same way, we must change to be the same denominator. Multiply 3 here, up and down. It will be 3 over 6. And multiply here, 2 up and down. It will be 2 over 6. Okay, but there are here a problem, because 2 over 6 and 3 over 6, it's so difficult to find three rational number between them. 2 over 6 and 3 over 6, how to find rational number between them? In this case only, we need to add 0 to both fractions to be 20 over 60 and 30 over 60, and they are equivalent to half and third. Now we can find three rational number between them. It will be 21 over 60, 22 over 60, 23 over 60. The last one, negative 2 over 3 and quarter. By the same, we must change both denominator to be the same. Multiply 4 here, up and down. It will be negative 8 over 12. And multiply 3 here, up and down. It will be 3 over 12. Now we can find three rational number between them. It will be negative 5 over 12, negative 1 over 12, 2 over 12. Thanks for your listening.